this week's tip of the week, I wanted to talk to you about our brand new dual adjuster. This is a real nice hammer we've come up with, and it was always kind of my intent to come up with a dual purpose tool. We get on our job sites, we're laying pavers, we lay out our bond line, and we're trying to straighten our lines. I'd always get our hammer for adjusting our pavers to keep a straight line. And also the guys were getting their adjuster for adjusting those paver lines and trying to set their bond lines if they have to move it out to the line. So we created our dual adjuster. We've got the rubber head on the one end. This obviously will do a 4x4 paver. It'll fit between there if you have a staggered bond line. Also, we got the tooth on the other end. So picture yourself laying out pavers. You're on the line and you got to move your pavers back. We can obviously stand there and hit our paver lines back to straighten our line. If I have a low spot in my pavers, I can go back into my pattern, sink the tooth down in there, and I can either kick it, the rubber part, or I can actually kick on the side of it, which is going to twist, and that twisting motion obviously is going to widen that tooth up and force our bond line out. So a really cool tool. We made it so it stands up straight, so you can leave it on the job site. You need it, you can just grab it right off and running. You're done with it, you set it back, you can go back to laying. So a real nice tool. We're really excited about this. Obviously this is a tool that every company should have and will need, obviously, for straightening bond lines. So hopefully you find this to be a real useful tool like we have.